Alright, if you've ever tried making a highlight video from your photos and clips, you know it can be a whole thing. But Google Photos just dropped 5 new features that make creating a video so much easier. Honestly, even my mom could do this. Let's break them down, because some of these are actually game-changing. First up, templates. If you've ever opened a video editor and thought, where do I even start? This one's for you. On Android, you can now pick a template that already has the music, the text, the pacing, all synced to the beat. You literally just pick your photos and videos, and Google Photos builds the whole video for you. Done. Instant highlight reel. Share it, post it, save it, whatever. Next, the new video editor. And wow, it's so much nicer to use now. There's a universal timeline where you can drag things around, reorder clips, trim them, all the basic stuff but way smoother. It works the same on Android and iOS, which I love. It also has this adaptive canvas thing that makes editing easier whether your footage is vertical, horizontal, square, whatever weird format you shot in. Basically, if you've ever felt lost editing a video on your phone, this fixes that. Third feature, music. Google added a whole soundtrack library built right into Photos, so instead of scrolling through your phone hoping you have something that fits, you can just pick a mood. Emotional, upbeat, chill, dramatic, and drop it right in. Instant vibe upgrade. Your highlight video suddenly feels like it belongs in a movie trailer. Alright, number 4, custom text overlays. If you love adding captions, titles, or little labels on top of your clips, this is so much better now. You can customize the font, the color, the background, make it cute, dramatic, aesthetic, whatever fits the video. Perfect for vacations, birthdays, sports reels, or that day in the life montage nobody asked for, but everyone posts anyway. And finally, editing individual video clips. This is a big one. The redesigned editor is now the default on Android. So, if you just open a video from your gallery and hit edit, you get all these new tools right away. You can trim a clip, adjust it, and, this is new, add music or text to just that one clip. So now your single videos can look polished too, not just your highlight reels. So yeah, these updates make Google Photos feel like a legit little editing studio in your pocket. Templates, music, text, better editing tools. Everything you need to make a clean aesthetic video, fast. Let me know which feature you're excited to try. I'm loving the templates already. Hit like if you found this helpful, subscribe for more tech tips, and I'll see you in the next one.